NCERT. Welcome to my channel, Learning Valence Live. Today we are going to talk about ionic bond formation. I am going to do a reaction which represents ionic bond formation. Today's reaction is in between potassium and nitrogen. Between potassium, K, and nitrogen, N, which ultimately leads to formation of potassium nitride, whose formula is K3N. Now I am going to write the reaction. Here I have drawn 3 potassium atoms since the formula suggests so, and each of them have 1 valence electron. They have an electronic configuration of 2A1, and nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, which I have represented with dots. It has an electronic configuration of 2,5. Now the reaction. Each of the potassium atoms lose their valence electrons, and nitrogen over here gains these lost valence electrons from potassium. So this transfer of electrons occurs. As a result, we get we get 3 K plus cations and 1 N3 minus anion. The K plus cations have an electronic configuration of 288 each. They all have attained the octet configuration of argon. N3 minus has an electronic configuration of 2A. It has attained the octet configuration of neon. This can also be represented as K plus 3. N3 minus, K plus 3 and N3 minus. This is another way we can represent these cations and this anion. Ultimately, 3 K plus cations, 3 K plus cations, and N3 minus anion, nitride anion, N3 minus nitride anion attract each other by the electrostatic force of attraction. electrostatic force of attraction, ultimately forming an electrovalent. Or ionic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond. As a whole, unit K plus 3 N3 minus is electrically neutral. It's electrically neutral since number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges. That is 3 positive charges and both negative charges and positive charges. There are 3 negative and positive charges. Hence the unit K plus 3 and 3 minus is electrically neutral. Now you may take a close look at this reaction. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.